Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Crafty Bird Girl with ASL and voice. Today we're going to make a special project. As you know, the weekends are the Memorial Day to honor the soldiers and those who fought the war to save our country, America, and those who lost their life, for those who been a hero to our American, and we want to honor that day. So I will be making a very neat and easy step to make. So let's get started. First thing I did, I made the beads. And I use with wood beads, and I use red and white and blue paint, and I use twines to make a rope like this, and I tied each corner. As you know, I made these beads, I dip it in with each cups of red and white and blue. Just dip it in and let it dry the whole day. And then hang it like that. Now, what I made, I used a napkin. And I cut the shape of the star, and it's made out of wood. You got it from the dollar store. And I podge. Use some brush, and I tap it and make it look like an American flag star. And now I'll show you how I did. You see the wood, you got it from the dollar store. And there's a napkin with a little Gronme on it. So we're going to take a sponge brush and pat it all around the wood. Then we take a napkin. As we cut it, the shape, you peel it off in white and you put it on top of the wood. And make sure it's even. You tap it very gently with your finger of your tip. And here it is. Very simple as easy step you made. And if you like this video, give me thumbs ups and it helps my channel grow. And if you're new, welcome. And also click the red box, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will not miss a fun craft. And thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day and happy Memorial Day. Bye, everybody.